Venture with me to the alluring archipelago of the Canary Islands, a sanctuary where the Atlantic whispers tales of timeless calm and luxury. Here, nestled amidst the ethereal landscapes, from volcanic vistas that touch star-studded skies to serene seashores kissed by ceaseless tides, lie enchanting havens of hospitality. This visual odyssey explores 20 of the finest hotels, each promising a unique portal to paradise, blending nature's grandeur with man's architectural prowess. Delve into a world where elegance meets tranquility, where each hotel, like a jewel on Neptune's necklace, sparkles with its own unique story of luxury and inviting warmth. Prepare to be whisked away on a serene journey through the crème de la crème of Canary Islands accommodations, where every stay promises more than just a place to rest, but a treasure trove of experiences, each waiting to be discovered. Perched on the western coast of Tenerife, the Ritz-Carlton, Abama stands as a bastion of luxury, its terracotta facade gleaming under the benevolent sun. This palatial escape offers vistas that stretch unbridled towards the horizon, where the azure of the sky meets the navy of the sea in a duet of natural beauty. Stroll through the hotel's lush gardens, a testament to human ingenuity blending seamlessly with the wild whimsy of nature. Here, more than mere accommodation, each guest is treated to a cornucopia of experiences, from golfing on a world-class course designed by the legendary Dave Thomas to indulging in culinary delights at a Michelin-starred restaurant housed within the hotel's embracing walls. The Ritz-Carlton, Abama is not just a place to stay. It is a destination that offers a profound communion with the splendors of the Canary Islands. Imagine stepping into an African savanna, surrounded by exotic flora and intricate tribal designs, yet located in the heart of Gran Canaria. Lopez and Baobab Resort offers just that, an immersive experience where the spirit of Africa is vivaciously alive in the Canary Islands. The resort's architecture, inspired by African lodges, creates a unique atmosphere that transcends geographical boundaries, inviting guests to a world of adventure and relaxation. Water cascades amidst baobab trees, and pools meander like rivers through this lush oasis, offering refreshing escapes under the sun. Each room, a haven of comfort with views that frame either verdant gardens or the expansive ocean, provides a serene backdrop for a getaway. Lopez and Baobab Resort isn't merely a place to sleep. It is a portal to an extraordinary cultural journey, nestled within the embrace of the island's enchanting natural beauty. Nestled on the rugged coastline of Tenerife, the royal hideaway Corrales Beach emerges as a sanctuary of tranquility and luxury. This architectural marvel, designed to mimic the intricate forms of a coral reef, offers an unrivaled view of the vast Atlantic. Within its walls, guests find themselves enveloped in an ambience of serene elegance, a perfect escape from the bustling world outside. Each suite is a testament to sophistication, with expansive terraces that extend towards the azure waves, allowing the gentle sea breeze to become an integral part of the experience. The resort's commitment to exclusivity and privacy crafts an ideal retreat for those seeking solace and rejuvenation amidst nature's grandeur. The Seaside Palm Beach Hotel, a charming enclave set against the backdrop of Gran Canaria's dunes of Maspalomas, offers a unique blend of retro aesthetics and modern comforts. Its design, influenced by the vibrant colors of the 1970s, stands out with boldness and style, making it a visual feast for the eyes. Stroll through its lush, palm-studded gardens, a green oasis that contrasts strikingly with the golden sands nearby. The hotel's spa, renowned for its holistic treatments, invites guests to indulge in therapies that soothe both body and mind, while the culinary offerings at its restaurants are a celebration of both local and international flavors, promising a delightful journey for the palate amidst the soothing sounds of the ocean. On the sunlit shores of Costa Adeje, the Iberostar Gran Salome stands as a beacon of luxury for discerning travelers. This adults-only resort specializes in creating an atmosphere of sophisticated calm, where every detail from the plush decor to the personalized service ensures a stay of unparalleled comfort and exclusivity. The suites offer majestic ocean views, where the horizon meets the clear blue sky in a stunning display of nature's beauty. Guests are invited to unwind at the infinity pool that seems to spill into the sea, or explore the world-class spa facilities, each designed to cater to the wellness of the mind and spirit. The Iberostar Gran Salome is not just a hotel, but a destination that promises a sublime escape from the ordinary. Nestled upon the shores of Costa Adeje, the Gran Hotel Bahia del Duque Resort emerges like a mirage of luxury from the azure waters of the Atlantic. Its architecture, inspired by the Victorian and Venetian influences of the 19th century, captures the essence of historical grandeur, blended with modern sophistication. Within its walls, guests are treated to an array of exquisite amenities, from lush tropical gardens that whisper the secrets of the islands to the serene pools that mirror the clear skies above. The resort's commitment to providing an unparalleled guest experience is evident in every detail, from the personalized services to the meticulously curated dining options. Culinary adventures await at their Michelin-starred restaurants, where the flavors of the Canary Islands are transformed into haute cuisine, offering a feast not just for the palate, but for the soul. Ascend into the tranquil realm of the Hotel Botanico and the Oriental Spa Garden, situated in the verdant surroundings of Puerto de la Cruz. This sanctuary melds the botanical beauty of its lush gardens with the therapeutic serenity of its renowned spa facilities. The gardens, a vibrant tapestry of flora from around the globe, offer a peaceful retreat where one can commune with nature and rejuvenate the spirit. The Oriental Spa Garden, an oasis of calm, provides a holistic approach to wellness, combining ancient Eastern therapies with modern techniques to restore balance and harmony. Guests are invited to indulge in personalized treatments that cater to both body and mind, creating a bespoke experience that lingers long after their departure. This haven not only captivates with its natural beauty, but also with its commitment to nurturing the well-being of every visitor. Step into the electrifying ambience of the Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife, a beacon of contemporary luxury and vibrant culture on the Playa Paraíso's sun-drenched coast. This iconic establishment pulsates with the energy of live music, its walls adorned with memorabilia that chronicles the history of rock and roll. Each room and suite is a testament to the Hard Rock brand, offering plush accommodations with cutting-edge design and panoramic views of the Atlantic. The hotel's diverse amenities cater to all tastes and ages, featuring a world-class spa, multiple swimming pools, and clubs for both children and adults. By night, the atmosphere transforms as guests are treated to spectacular live performances that encapsulate the spirit of rock and the passion of the performers. The Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife is more than just a place to stay. It is a destination that offers a unique journey through music and luxury. Beneath the sunlit glamour of Gran Canaria, the Hotel Riu Palace Meloneras stands as a beacon of luxury. Nestled gracefully on the southern coast of the island, this palatial retreat offers a unique blend of contemporary design and classic comfort. Its expansive gardens, punctuated with oasis-like pools and palm trees, invite one to a world of tranquil delights. Here, the gentle murmur of the Atlantic Ocean complements the serene atmosphere, creating a perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. The hotel's architecture, with its elegant curves and gleaming facades, mirrors the expansive horizon. Each room and suite is crafted to offer an unrivaled view of the sea or the lush gardens, ensuring that every guest wakes to a scene of sublime beauty. The attention to detail in the service is palpable, providing a bespoke experience that caters to the desires of every visitor. On the rugged coastline of Tenerife, the Sheraton La Caleta Resort and Spa offers a sanctuary where the azure skies meet the turbulent Atlantic. This enchanting resort, embraced by verdant gardens and shaded groves, presents a peaceful contrast to the dynamic island life. The architecture draws inspiration from the Canary style, integrating seamlessly with the natural environment. Guests are treated to a symphony of culinary delights, where local flavors meet international cuisine, all crafted to tantalize the palate and enrich the soul. Beyond the luxurious accommodations, the resort spa stands as a temple of wellness. Here, amidst soothing sounds and aromatic scents, one can indulge in treatments that blend ancient traditions with modern wellness techniques. The pools and outdoor spaces provide ample opportunity for leisure and reflection, setting the stage for a truly transformative experience. Perched atop the cliffs of La Gomera, the Hotel Jardin Tessina is a marvel of ecological architecture. This unique establishment is carved into the landscape, offering breathtaking views across the Atlantic to the majestic Teide of Tenerife. The resort's commitment to sustainability is evident in its use of natural materials and its lush, verdant gardens, which are home to a myriad of plant species. The air here is tinged with the scent of blooming flowers, a constant reminder of the island's natural bounty. Inside, the rooms are havens of calm, with decor that reflects the earthy tones of the surrounding terrain. Each balcony opens to vistas that stretch into the horizon, where the sea and sky converge in a dazzling display of nature's artistry. It's a place where one can truly disconnect, allowing the rhythms of the island to restore body and mind. Nestled in the serene town of Garachico, Hotel San Roque offers a quiet escape into the annals of history. Within these ancient walls, each stone tells a story, a whisper from the past, meticulously preserved to offer guests not just a stay, but a journey through time. The hotel's unique architecture, a blend of 17th-century Spanish design with modernist interiors, creates a mesmerizing atmosphere that invites curiosity and comfort. As you stroll through the quaint courtyards, the gentle splash of the fountain and the soft rustle of the palm leaves create a symphony of sounds, a reminder of nature's close embrace in this historic retreat. The rooms, each distinct in character, offer views that paint the vibrant strokes of Garachico's rich tapestry, a picturesque scene worthy of any canvas. High atop a cliff overlooking the vast Atlantic, the Parador de la Gomera stands as a beacon of tranquility and tradition. This architectural gem, inspired by Canary style, is surrounded by lush gardens that bloom with an array of tropical colors, creating a paradise that captivates the senses. The sound of waves crashing against the cliffside provides a constant soothing backdrop, while the scent of salt and flora mingles in the air, crafting an atmosphere of pure relaxation. Inside, the decor pays homage to the island's rich maritime history, with navigational maps and oceanic artifacts adorning the walls. Each guest room offers a panoramic view of the sea, a daily spectacle of the sun dancing on the water's surface, a scene that invites guests to pause and reflect on the beauty of the natural world around them. Set against the backdrop of the majestic Teide volcano, Hotel Tigaiga is an enchanting mix of lush gardens and sophisticated charm. The hotel's grounds are an exhibition of botanical beauty, featuring species from across the globe, meticulously curated to ensure a display that changes with the seasons. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, a sweet perfume that enhances the serene atmosphere. Inside, the hotel combines classical elegance with contemporary comfort, creating spaces that are both inviting and luxurious. Each room offers a view that captures the essence of Tenerife's stunning landscapes, from the verdant richness of the valley to the stark beauty of Teid's Peak. The terrace, with its sweeping vistas, provides the perfect spot to unwind, a peaceful haven where one can truly connect with the natural splendor of the Canary Islands. Nestled discreetly amidst the verdant greens of the prestigious Golf Las Americas, Hotel Las Madrigueras Golf Resort and Spa offers an oasis of tranquility for those seeking a serene escape. Each window frames a picturesque view of the golf course, a lush landscape that beckons both the avid golfer and the leisure seeker. The architecture, a harmonious blend of luxury and comfort, whispers stories of quiet evenings and gentle mornings spent in the embrace of unparalleled hospitality. Within its walls, the spa promises a rejuvenating retreat, where the whispers of flowing water and the soft hum of nature's song create a symphony of relaxation. Guests are invited to indulge in tailored treatments that echo the natural beauty surrounding them, ensuring a stay that rejuvenates both body and soul. Hotel Suite Villa Maria, designed with a unique Canarian architectural style, stands as a tribute to the traditional Canarian villages. With its charming plazas, winding pathways, and exquisite tilework, the hotel offers a cultural immersion like no other. Each villa is an enclave of privacy and peace, offering splendid views of the Costa Adeye golf course or the azure Atlantic. The mornings here start with the gentle lull of the ocean waves, while evenings are graced by the soft glow of sunset bathing the villas in golden hues. For families, the hotel provides an array of activities designed to enrich and entertain, from tranquil gardens for reflective strolls to lively playgrounds that spark joy in the hearts of children. The essence of Canarian spirit is captured here, inviting guests to a stay that is both enchanting and enriching. Perched on the southern tip of Tenerife, the Santa Barbara Golf and Ocean Club by Diamond Resorts offers a panoramic spectacle where the rugged mountains meet the vast ocean. This resort is more than just a place to stay. It is a gateway to the diverse landscapes and vibrant life of the Canary Islands. The architecture, with its Moorish influences, casts an enchanting spell over its gardens and pools, inviting guests to explore the intricate designs and exotic ambience. The club's proximity to the golf course ensures that visitors can enjoy a quick game under the warm Canarian sun, followed by a dip in the ocean or the resort's luxurious pools. As night falls, the air fills with the scent of salty sea breeze and the sound of waves, crafting a perfect end to an adventurous day. Nestled amidst the verdant landscapes of Tenerife, Hotel Rural El Navio offers a tranquil escape from the bustling tourist spots. This charming hotel, set on a traditional banana plantation, provides guests with an intimate connection to the island's rich agricultural heritage. As we glide through scenes of lush greenery and rustic elegance, the soothing sound of the Atlantic whispers in the distance, promising a serene stay attuned to nature's rhythm. In the heart of El Navio, tradition meets comfort. Each room is a blend of rustic decor and modern amenities, offering breathtaking views over the azure ocean or the sprawling plantations. The hotel's commitment to sustainability is evident in its operations, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious travelers. Here, one can truly unwind, surrounded by the gentle hues of nature and the soft murmur of the sea. Nestled majestically on Costa Adeje's elevated plains, Vinci Selección La Plantación del Sur offers a breathtaking vista that captures the boundless Atlantic and the enigmatic island of La Gomera on the horizon. Here, the architectural elegance harmonizes with the lush tropical gardens, crafting an oasis of tranquility that whispers stories of old Spanish charm. As the sun dips into the ocean, the sky transforms into a canvas painted with the vibrant hues of twilight. The hotel's balconies serve as front-row seats to this daily spectacle, a reminder of nature's timeless artistry. Inside, the rooms are adorned with colonial-inspired decor, offering a plush retreat from the sun-kissed adventures that await outside. At the edge of Puerto de la Cruz, where the sea clasps the shores with a gentle persistence, stands the H10 Tenerife Playa. This sanctuary, a blend of modernity and comfort, overlooks the bustling promenade, offering a panoramic embrace of the ocean's vast expanse. The rhythmic sounds of waves provide a soothing soundtrack, enhancing the serene atmosphere that permeates through the hotel. Guests are invited to indulge in the culinary delights served at the sea-facing restaurants, where each dish is a celebration of local flavors and international cuisines. The evenings here are luminous with cultural vibrancy, from live music performances to the soft murmur of conversations under starlit skies, making every moment a cherished memory in the making. As our journey through the top 20 Canary Islands hotels concludes, we are left with a tapestry of unforgettable experiences, each woven with the unique threads of luxury and the natural beauty of this archipelago. These sanctuaries not only offer shelter, but serve as gateways to the profound splendor and cultural richness of the Canary Islands. From the serene heights of Vinci Selección La Plantación del Sur to the vibrant shores of H10 Tenerife Playa, each hotel invites you to a distinct narrative of relaxation, adventure, and awe. May the memories of sunlit days and starry evenings accompany you until you return to these enchanted isles, where the ocean kisses the skies and the winds whisper tales of ancient voyages.